Alright guys, welcome back to Codes and Coffee, and we have a 2006 Honda Pilot coming in, and he has a flashing green light. We're going to put it in this bay right here and take a look. The tow truck should be here momentarily. We'll see you in a few seconds. And another one bites the dust. Alright, we got a Honda Pilot with a flashing green key security light. The car thinks it's being stolen. What should we do? Take a look at the fuse box here.
Can we be that lucky? No. Like, is that fuse going? Oh,
Let's use a spare.
Do we have a 15? Well, let's use, we got a 20 there. No, never mind. I'm going to check this first.
We got a light. All right. Lights, camera, action.
I'm gonna stick it right in there, Mikey. And we didn't hear any sparks or anything.
Nope.
All right, let's go and start the sucker up. No, 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 no.
There you go, guys. Quick step.
What's up?
This one's a 2000 and let's see, 0306, 2006 Honda Pilot. Green key, green flashing light. Don't take it to a dealership. Don't spend hundreds of money. Don't get your car towed. Don't tow it. Don't do it. Come to your fuse box. It's located right behind what? Passenger? Right in front. And it's that third one right there. Take a look at it. If it's blown, change it. All done. And on to the next. Okay, customer was called on his way down. We're gonna go ahead and check the car one last time before he gets here. Same truck. Okay. Here's the key. Like a glove. Beautiful. All right, so I want to give a special shout out to a YouTuber, and the YouTuber's name is Check It Out. You might want to check him out. All right, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have a question. And direct comments are okay, but put some of the comments down in the field so everyone can share, learn, ask questions, and have a little bio. All right, on to the next.